Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the practicals from pharmaceutics 2. So in previous sessions we discussed about the incompatibility. There are total 3 types of incompatibility: physical, chemical and therapeutic. So now let's discuss about the chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be a result of chemical interactions between the ingredients and a toxic or inactive product. It may be formed. The chemical incompatibility is of two types, that is, first one, tolerated and adjusted. In this the chemical interaction can be minimized by changing the order of mixing or mixing the solutions in the dilute forms, but no alteration is made in the formulation. And second, that is adjusted. In this chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredients with the another of equal therapeutic value. Then precipitate yielding interactions. The precipitate formed due to the reaction between strong solutions may be diffusible or indiffusible. The method A and B is followed. So let's discuss in detail about method A and method B. Method A, which is for the diffusible precipitate, divide the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one of the portion and the other in the other portion. Mix the two portions by slowly adding one to the other. Method B, in this case, which is for indiffusible precipitate, dissolve the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one portion, weigh a suitable quantity of compound tragacanth powder, that is 2 grams per 100 ml, and transfer in a mortar and use the part of second portion of the vehicle to produce the smooth mucilage. Then add the other reacting substances, mix the two portions by slowly adding one portion to the other. So now let's move towards actual experiment. Experiment number 91. Title of this experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1. Lemon syrup contains the citric acid and will liberate the salicylic acid from sodium salicylate. Lemon syrup can be replaced by the lemon tincture and simple syrup without altering therapeutic action of the mixture. Learning objectives are to understand the decomposition of salicylates and precipitation of salicylic acid in presence of acid and the adjusted type of incompatibility, and ability to make the necessary changes in the formulations and prepare it accordingly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 100, that is equal to 0.1. So we have, this is a prescription which is denoted by the symbol Rx. This formulae is, the name of ingredient is given in the Latin terminology, and we have these quantities. So let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. So we have first of all type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in imperial system is not given over here, as we have directly formula given in this metric system. It's not given in the Latin terminology. The quantity given in metric system for preparing 100 ml and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. So first of all we have sodium salicylate, which is used as analgesic antipyretic. Quantity given in metric system for preparing 100 ml is 5 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.5 gram. This quantity is calculated with the help of factor. Lemon syrup, used in the treatment of hay fever. Quantity given 20 ml, taken quantity should be 2 ml. Water used as a vehicle. Quantity given, add up to 75 ml. Add 75 ml to prepare up to 100 ml. And taken quantity should be add 7.5 ml to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction, 15 ml to be taken at bedtime as directed by physician. We have the stepwise procedure. Note, lemon syrup 20 ml can be replaced with the 19 ml of the syrup and 1.2 ml of the lemon tincture. In that first step is weigh sodium salicylate accurately and dissolve in some amount of water. Then second one, add the syrup and lemon tincture. Then third, filter if necessary and make up the volume with the water. Then fourth one, transfer to a bottle, cork it, attach prepared label and submit. Use of preparation. This mixture is used in the treatment of acute rheumatism also used as a, as we seen, it contains the sodium salicylate, which is used as an analgesic and antipyretic. So it is also used to relieve to get the relief from hay fever or to reduce the body temperature. Result: 10 ml of the mixture is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as store in a cool place. As we seen in this particular experiment, this mixture, we seen the adjusted type of chemical incompatibility, and to overcome that particular adjusted type of chemical incompatibility, we have to use method A, that is to dissolve the all these ingredients properly with the high stirring agitation. If any particles in, then we can proceed for filtration. Thank you.